first time joining us, I'd like to say welcome. I am Miss Tanisha, the Children's Librarian at the Whitehaven Branch Library. Today, we're going to be doing a DIY lava lamp. What you will need to make this lava lamp is cooking oil, you will need food coloring, you will need a pack of apple seltzers, you will need a bottle, and you will need water. I already took the liberty of pouring my oil into my bottle. You should definitely fill your oil up about a quarter of the way full, and then you grab your water and you fill your bottle up the rest of the way. Now don't fill your bottle to the top because it might overflow once we start making our lamp. We just want to get it probably right to the neck of the bottle. And move this out the way. Can you see how that oil and that water separates? That's because the first reason has to do with something chemists call polarity. Water is made up of polar molecules. That means each molecule has a positive charge on one end and a negative charge on the other end. Positive and negative ends stick together kind of like magnets. Oil is made up of non-polar molecules. That means they don't have a positive or negative charge. Since the water molecules are looking for a positive or negative charge, they won't mix with the oil molecules because they don't have those charges. Another reason has to do with something called density. The denser something is, the more stuff there is packed into it. If you weigh a cup of water and a cup of oil, the water weighs more. That means the water is more dense than the oil, which is why it sinks to the bottom, as you can see right here. All right, now that we had our quick science lesson, let's add in our food coloring. We're going to open our pack of food coloring. I'm going to use, I think I want to use the color red. And you're going to squirt just a few drops of red food coloring into your lamp. And you see how that food color is sinking on through the oil and going on to the bottom. Oh, wait a minute, it got a little lost in there. You put a little bit more in there. Replace the cap back on. And I also forgot to mention, even if you shake your bottle, the oil and water, they'll mix for a moment, but then they're going to separate right back to how they are now. I'm going to squeeze my bottle just a little bit to get that food coloring to squeeze on through to the bottom. It's right there. It wants to go through. And if it doesn't go to the bottom immediately, I'm sorry, that's not an issue. We're going to keep on going with this process. So now I've grabbed my apple seltzer tablet, and I'm going to break it into 4 small pieces. This is 2. Now this is another set of 2. And 2 more. And as you can see, our food color has definitely made its way to the bottom. Now let's see what happens when I add a piece of my Alka-Seltzer tablet. Ooh. And I'm going to add another piece. You want to put the entire tablet in. You see how it foams up just like a lava lamp? I'm going to make sure you all can see that. I'm going to add. It looks really, really neat. I'm bring it a little closer to you all. And I'm going to add my other Alka-Seltzer tablet to keep the process going. And you can have fun. Look at all those bubbles. You can add as many Alka-Seltzer tablets you would like to keep your lava lamp flowing. It looks so cool. I'm going to add one more tablet because I am definitely enjoying this. You can see the different reactions going on in there. It looks so cool. And not only was this a very cool science experiment, the cleanup was amazing. There's practically no cleanup. And once this settles, you can see the different color molecules kind of just hanging out in the oil. Eventually, it will all sink back down to the bottom. But if you wanted to keep flowing, you just keep adding more Alka-Seltzer tablets. And there you have your DIY lava lamp. I thank you all for viewing, and I hope you had an awesome time. I sure did. Until next time.